In this video, you will learn how to freeze rows and column in Microsoft Excel sheet. Currently, you can see here I have freeze this row and it become visible if you scroll down. For example, you can see here if I scroll down, then this row become visible. Secondly, I have also freeze a column, that was the first column. If you scroll across, then this column remain visible. For example, if I scroll across, you can see here this column will not be disappeared and it remain visible. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now you will learn how to freeze this row. To freeze this row, click on any cell which is below this row. For example, this is the cell below this row. I will select this one. Now go to View tab. In View tab, you will find the option of Freeze Pans. Click here, and from here you will select Freeze Top Row. It will freeze this top row, and if you scroll down, you will observe that this remain visible. Now if you want to unfreeze this row, again go to this View tab and go to Freeze Pan option. You will find the option of Unfreeze Pans. Click here. Now if you scroll down, you can see that the rows is not visible now. Now you will learn how to freeze this column. To freeze this column, click on any cell which is adjacent to that column. For example, I want to freeze column A. I will click any cell in column B. Select here. Again go to View tab, and in View tab go to Freeze Pan option and click on Freeze First Column. Now if you scroll across, you can see here this column is freeze and remain visible. Now I want to unfreeze it. Go to again Freeze Pan option and click on Unfreeze Pan. Now if you want to freeze both first rows as well as column, then click on this cell. You can see here it is below this rows and it is also adjacent to that particular column which you want to freeze. So click on this cell and again go to View tab. In View tab, go to Freeze Pan option and select Freeze Pans. It will freeze both rows as well as column, and if I scroll down, you can see here the rows remain visible, and if I scroll across, the column will remain visible. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.